Hi everyone. So in this session we'll see how to change the vendor master data which we already created centrally with the help of the T code XK01 and how to display the created vendor which is 334 vendor number. So to change or edit or make some field updation with the help of already created vendor, we can use the T code or transaction code XK02, and to display the vendor, just to get the information whichever updated against the vendor, we can utilize the transaction code XK03. Now we have already created this vendor with the vendor number 334. If you want to edit or update or make some changes to the vendor master data, you can utilize the T code XK02. Click on enter. Here we have the vendor number, so you can provide that vendor number directly, and then the company code and the purchasing organization where you want to change the data, that you can provide here. So we already have the purchasing organization as UP00 and company code as UK00. That information you can provide where you want to make changes. Then you can select the relevant data. For example, if you want to change the address related things or controlling parameters or payment transaction related things, you can select whichever data you want to change. Just to show you, I will select all these relevant fields from all the respective data from general data, company code data, and purchasing organization data. Click on enter. Click on enter. Then here you can make the changes. If you want to change the address or add some more detail in the address, you can do it here. All these fields will be in changeable condition. For example, here only I will provide, instead of line number 2, I will provide here street number 2 near Chakan Square, my DC. So this way you can change the address. All the whichever fields you want to change, which is in editable mode, you can change. Click on next. The use of the last 25 character in the street is restricted to 48. Okay, so in this case you can make your address in a short way. Okay, click on enter. Click on enter. So this way you can see all the fields are in editable mode. Whichever you want to change or update, you can do it. Okay, now here we have not updated any contact person name, so if you want to update contact person name, you can. Okay, so this way you can make the changes in the vendor master data wherever you want to change. Okay, once done, you can click on save. Once changes saved, whichever changes you have done, that will start appearing in XK0 through 03. If you go back, click on provide the transaction code as XK03, click on enter, and if you provide the same details here by selecting all the data, if you click on enter, here you will see updated details. As we have changed the address here, so updated address will appear in the vendor master data but not in the editable mode, just as a display mode. So this way you can change or update or display the already available vendor from the system with the help of the T code XK02 and XK03. Okay, thank you.